How to deposit check on JPMorgan Chase. Welcome back to Techmates, and let's get right into this video. To deposit a check online, you can use your Chase mobile banking application. Now firstly, make sure that you have installed the app in your device. Next step is to sign in into your Chase mobile app. There you should see the option of pay and transfer. You need to navigate to the option of deposit a check. In that case, you need to add an account, then the amount, then click the photo of front and back of your check. Make sure that you have clicked a clear picture of your check. Once you are done from it, now you are in the final step. Select on the next option after you have taken a photo. Once you have captured the photo, you can review the details of it. Select Next, then confirm the deposit. By this way, you'll be able to deposit your check online using your mobile banking app. If you don't have the application, you can visit the website of Chase and just scan the QR to download the app. If not, visit your App Store or Play Store to do so. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.